crews with the National Weather Service. They'll be in North Texas. They'll actually be there tomorrow to survey damage from overnight storms. Now, we saw the severe weather just north of Weatherford in Parker County, and our Richard Solomon was there as neighbors began to clean up.
Right now, we're along Johnson Bend Road. This is just northeast of the city of Weatherford. And this is where it appears a tornado moved through this area. This is one of the first things that we saw when we drove up here. You can see this tree literally snapped like a twig. It was actually laying across this road with several other trees. People who live in this area, they were just here using chainsaws, using tools, chains to pull that and clear this road.
We need to make sure they get in there and clear it completely out to make sure there's nobody left in there.
Now, I did speak with several people who live in this area, and this is your property.
Yes.
They say for the most part, people are okay. There was damage to different homes, roofs ripped off like tin can here, but the most important thing, everyone is okay.
We come home just after it hit. It had blown the 3 trees, those biggest trees, into the power line, and it's wrapped all up in it. So we're having to cut it out.
And I did check in with the National Weather Service of Fort Worth. They say crews will be here on the ground tomorrow just to assess all the damage. And we'll, of course, keep you updated with what we find on air and online. And, of course, you can follow along on WFAA+. I'll bring you an update later on when we can.
Thanks, Richard. A lot of cleanup on the way, and now is a great time to make sure you have our WFAA app downloaded. It'll keep you updated with the latest on weather, traffic, and more. You can even track conditions right in your neighborhood. It is free to download in your app store.